Hi, my name is Ravi from Hyderabad, enrolled in certificate program in yoga from Indira Gandhi National Open University. I completed the practical training of yoga under teaching of Dr. P. Nagaraju Sir. It was a wonderful experience being a student of him. He is not only yoga guru, he has many qualifications like double PG in management science, PhD in management and MSc in yoga. He has experience of 15 years in the field of yoga. I am one of the fortunate students of him and I am very proud being his student. He teaches clearly and Kriya, Asana, Pranayama, Mudra and Bandhas, practicing them, and he explains how to do asanas, how to do pranayamas with their scientific benefits. He motivates us to practice the asanas which we could not do. Not only a good teacher, he also has a nice heart. He treats us as a brother and sister rather than students. Now I have become a best practitioner of yoga by his quality teaching. And I am thankful to Dr. Raju Bulla and staff of IGNOU. And my special thanks to Dr. Pudila Nagaraju Sir. Thank you very much.